Hello everyone, thanks for joining. So today we'll discuss our what important topic, right? That is list interface, right? So I have discussed last class what all those important interface we have in our collection framework, right?
Selection
You
from.
can see it
Yeah.
collection interface. So a list interface set, queue, sorted set, navigable set, map, cursor sorting. Among that we have what different type of interface. So we'll discuss today most important frequently used in each and every places, that is list interface. But before starting list interface, we'll discuss some important point or important characteristics by which you can understand each and every interface very easily. Okay? So what all those important characteristics we have, right? Okay, first understand. If any interface, okay, if any interface, if you're going to what understand, right? That is okay, you will have some important characteristics. So okay, first understand important ARACHARACTERSTICS. Important characteristics. Yes or no?
Mm.
Guys, see. Important characteristics. Guys, see. First. Guys, see, you know that very well. So every interface, guy, when it introduced, right? When it launched, that are things you will come to know with the help of version. Yes or no? Version. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. Version. So you should understand what is the version of respective interface, right? Then guys, second. See. So you see that collection store heterogeneous or homogeneous. Okay? So the
Yeah.
interface store what? Heterogeneous or homogeneous.
Heterogeneous.
Guys, see. So collection stores collection collection store. Guys, see. So yeah, we have two types of storage. Guy. One is homogeneous. Yes or no? Guy? Homogeneous. Tell me. Yes or no? Homogeneous.
Then,
Yes. Guys, see. And guy, one is heterogeneous. Guy. Tell me. Yes or no? Heterogeneous. Tell me. Guy. Yes or no? Guys, see.
mm.
So I will replace guy first this one. Then understood easily. Guys, see. Heterogeneous and homogeneous. Why I'm writing it in this way? Understand? Guys, see. So our collection support guy. Heterogeneous. Yes or no? Tell me. Our collection stored guy. Hydrogen data type. Yes or no? But guys, see also homogeneous storing collection guy. But guy, only what? Two what classes guy? What guy you know? Tree set and tree map. Tree set and tree map are guy user homogeneous. Yes or no? Guy doing this thing or no? Guys, see tree set. Tree set
Yes.
and what? Maps. Tree map guy. Tree set and tree map. Tree map. The both are used guy homogeneous. Keep in mind. All the data is our heterogeneous in collection. Yes or no? But guys, see, homo is also a storing some classes that get tree set and tree map. Are you getting not guys? Yes, Amit, I'm getting. Good? Getting yes or no? Any question? Guys, any question till now? I hope no, right? So, guys, that is most
Mm.
important second point, guys. So, correction is to get what tell story by this respective interpretation, okay? You see, so tree set and tree map. These both classes using a homogeneous data type. I will explain, guys. Don't worry. Okay, yes. Then, guys, is second point, third point, guys. Tell me what third point we should keep remember, guys. That is what null insertion is allowed in all classes of interfaces, guys. Do you know? You see, null insertion. Null insertion. Get me? So you see all class in class what allow our null insertion. Yes or no, guys? Get me? Yes or no? So all classes what guys allow null insertion. Yes or no? Get me? Yes or no? Get is common behavior. That is all are common behavior for every interfaces implemented class. Yes or no? Okay. Then guys see duplicate object guys. So it allows duplicate or not. Yes or no? So as per duplicate object. As per duplicate object. Duplicate object. Tell me guys, what is meaning of duplicate object? So guys see we have two types of interface generated which is used to duplicate list and set. Yes or no guys? Tell me guys. Duplicate object means what guys? Do you know? So we have two types guys. One is list, one is set. Yes or no guys? Tell me yes or no? List and set. Okay, are you understanding or not?
Yeah.
So how come to know this is allowed duplicate not? So guys, we have two types of what? Interface we used to use the duplicate all or not. Guys see, so you need to understand. So guys, list allow our duplicate. List allow the duplicate and set allow the this
Unique.
not duplicate guys. So set never allow
Mm.
the duplicate, but list allow the duplicate. So always guys, you should keep in mind every implement class what. So this allow the duplicate or not. Correct? Allow or not guys. Correct? And then guys see fifth. So the fifth point you should understand. So this implemented class synchronized or non-synchronized. Okay? Synchronized. Okay, what? Synchronized or non-synchronized. Tell me guys. Do you know what is synchronized? What is non-synchronized? Any idea? No, Amit, I don't know. Yes, Amit, I have. I know. Tell me. Do you know? Tell me, guys. Guys, synchronized means guy thread safety. What guy? Synchronized means thread safety. Address everything guy in your multi-threading environment. Is okay. I'll explain what is synchronized, what is non-synchronized. Okay. I will explain also guy one more time, nobody. So guy, synchronized means guy thread safety. So okay, thread safety. Okay. Non-synchronized guy, you do know, not thread safety. So, okay. Not thread safe. Yes or no? Any question? Guys, tell me yes or no?
Mm.
Any question or not? No, Amit, I don't have any question till now. No, any question. Yes, then get point number.
No.
Then point number six. So insertion order. Insertion order. So every implementary class will going to learn insertion order. So what do you mean by insertion order? Do you know?
In which order it is
Yes,
insert,
very good.
inserting or adding value.
Insertion order means I will tell you the order in which you are going to insert the data in same order you will get the result. Yes or no? Yes, Amit.
And
The order in which you are going to insert the data in what? Correction in same order if you are if you are able to get the data or not. Yes or no? Are you getting any question?
um,
So so we need to understand. So what all the important class? Okay. So it allow the insertion data. Yes or no? Correct? In which order? Insert in same order. Results will published. Yes or no? Correct, guy? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes. Then guys see one important point. One important point, guy. That is point number seven. What is point number seven, guy? Understand. Guys see underlying data structure of every important class. Or sorry, every implemented class, guy. So underlying underlying data structure, guy. Data structure. Underlying what? Underlying
Because
data structure, guy. So for all implemented class, one minute. So all, guy, underline data structure of every implementation class, guy. Yes or no? For all implementation class. Guy, do you know? So guys, see for array, guy, we are using resizable array. Do you know, guy? Resizable resizable array. Okay, that is used for what?
actually,
In underline data set for array list. Yes, okay. Linked list, guy. You know, double linked list is the guy. What? Underline data set. Do you know? Okay, double linked list. Double linked list is the guy. Also one type of underline data set, guy. Guy, you know, hash table, guy. Guy, do you know?
so what does underline data system
Tell you.
identify?
I will tell you. Don't worry. Underline data system is guy. So on which data structure, guy, these implement class are implemented. Guys, see, suppose if you are going to use guy array list, yes or no? So how array list is automatically increase or decrease the size, yes or no, guy? So they have some template, yes or no? How they are going to increase the size and how they are decrease the size. So on which platform they are going to use? Guys, see double links. Guys, you know link list. I will tell you. So linked list is a one implemented class of list interface. Do you know or not? Yes, Miss, I know. So guys, see hash set. Hash is also one type of implement class of set interface. So you see whatever the interfaces implemented class are there, so they are going to use their behavior for insertion or deletion or updation data on some fixed data structure. That data structure is called underlying data structure. Are you getting not? In the background, what data structure are used to store what? It means insert data, delete, update, yes or no? That thing called underlying data structure. I hope you got it. Any question? Ankit, any question? Can you tell me?
It actually,
Are did you get it not? No, miss. One more time.
yeah, one more time. So maybe,
Yeah. Guys, see, if you are going to array list, yes or no? So how
yeah,
it will come to know we need to increase the size? How we can decrease it? Do you know? So
yeah, after,
these classes have implemented one fixed data structure. Resizable array is one data structure which is used by analyst class.
like,
Guys, see if you're going to use linked list, so linked list will not use resizable data structure to insert data, means or delete data or update data. Means they are not going to use that data structure for list implemented class. Yes or no, guys? So every
mm,
implemented class is has some specific data structure. So whatever the resizable array list underlying data structure will work for list interface implemented class for array list, it will not work for other classes, guys. It is specific, guys. I've told you, double linked list. That is a, you know what data structure? Where do you know? Tell me first. Underlying
like,
guy in background, nothing else. Underlying your word. That is called where in background. On which? On best. Yes or no? If I will tell you, you are you are Bihar best student. You are what? Karnataka best student. Are you not? So guys, every student is not Bihar best. Yes or no? Not get Karnataka based, not Kerala based. Are it not? The people
mm,
who will Karnataka based, so they will what get different behaviors. Okay? Are you not? So how are you going to categorize? So that is arist based. This is linked based. This is hazard based guy. So okay, for those we have one specific data structure guy. If they are going to belong to Karnataka, so they're eligible for this job. Yes or no? If he belongs to Bihar, he belongs to what? West Bengal. So their specific characteristics. Yes or no? Are you getting or not?
mm,
If you are not getting, then I will explain in coming class. Then come to know very well. Get. So as I understood, so underlying data action gap. So they have some what a specific what behavior. For that way, for that's why they are going to use internal underlying data structure for their what operation. Okay. Any question, guy? I hope no. If any question, I will explain in different way in coming class, guy. But guys, see eight. Point number eight, guy. Cursor. Do you know, guy, what is cursor? So guys, see every implemented class are using some specific cursor, guy. So you cannot say so every cursor used by every class, guy. No. For those for different implemented class have a specific cursor, guy. Okay, so different class use different type of cursor. Yes or no? Different classes uses what? Different type of what guy? Tell me. Cursor. So what type of cursor they're going to use? I will explain guy coming class. Okay. Don't worry for that. I am explaining now what all those important point used by all implemented class guy. So suppose if we'll take array list, I'll explain after this. If you'll take array list, so what is the version of array list? What is the text is stored? It is storing heterogeneous or homogeneous. So it array list allow null instance or not. So array list allow duplicate order or not. Array list is synchronous or not guy. So array list allow instance order or not. So what is the receiver? What is the underlying data for array list? What cursor which is used by array list? Yes or no? So guys, so every implemented class use all these important categories. Yes or no, guys? No, Amit, I don't know. No problem. If you don't know, no problem. I will explain in such a way so you will not have any confusion, guys. Correct? So guys, see, keep in mind, guys. So this is 8 important point for what, guys? Every, guys, every implement class. Correct? Any question till now?
No.
Are you getting or not? No, Amit, I'm not getting. Yes, I'm getting completely. Okay, the
Mhm.
all those important 8 points have every implementation class. Great. Yes. So let's see. Today I will take what our first implementation class of array list. What guy? First implementation class of array list. Yes or no? So guy, list is a interface. So under this list interface guy, we have what? Some implementation class guy. The first implementation class guy array list. Yes or no? Do you know this thing or not? Yes, Amit. I know. Guy, tell me. Guy, tell me yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So guys, see first implementation class of list interface that is array list. So we'll understand what all the important points I have discussed here. So how array list are using. So what all the important 8 characteristics array has or not. Guys, see first. Tell me, guys, what is a version of array? Do you know, guys? So, guys, this array introduced in 1.2 version. Yes or no? Guys, see, are you getting or not? Yes, Amit, you're correct, perfectly correct. So, if you remember the all 8 important point for all those important implemented class for respective interface, then you will become a master of collection. Yes or no, guys? So every implemented class has these 8 behavior guys, these 8 characteristics. Keep in mind. So guys, first is our array list. So guys, what the version of array list? So guys, version means when it introduced, when it launched. Yes or no? That is 1.2 version. Okay. Are you agree or not? Yes, Amit, I'm agree. Then guys, see what this array list allow heterogeneous or homogeneous. Guys, see, I have told you. So guys, in our classification framework, most of the in most means every interface allow guys heterogeneous. Only a part of this two guys. So tree set and tree map is used for what homogeneous. A part of what all the other interface implemented class we have in collection framework that allow the heterogeneous. So guys see, so collection framework inside the collection framework guy, list your first interface and list interface the array is our implementation class. So guys this array is also allow the heterogeneous. Yes or no, Amit? Tell me.
Yes.
So this array list array is a heterogeneous. No? Yes, Amit. Any question guy? No, Amit. Yes, Amit. If any question, God knows. Then guess it third. So allegate a list allow null insertion or not. I have told guy all classes allow null insertion. That means guy a is also part of the what null insertion. So guys see we can say array list allows what guy? Tell me. Tell me, guy. Null insertion. Yes or no? Yes, Amit.
Yeah.
Guys, see how it keep remember, guy. See, if you can say me, Amit, how you can remember all the point in this way. So this point. So what version? Storing tab guy, null insertion, duplicate, synchronize, insertion order, underline structure, and cursor. Guys, see, then our guy next point guy. What guy next point? What guy? Next point tell me. What is this is very problem.
Duplicate or not?
Yes, duplicate or not. 1 minute. This is giving problem. Guy. So guys, see, tell me our list interface implement class a list is allow duplicate or not guy? Tell me. Okay, tell me.
Yes.
Hmm? Tell me.
Yes.
So guys, see, list interface implement class allow duplicate. Keep in mind, guys. So that is the main important difference. List and set guy. List implemented class allow duplicate, but guy set implement class doesn't allow duplicate. Yes, okay. The most important interview question also. Which implement class allow duplicate or which implement class didn't allow the duplicate. So guys see list implement class allow the duplicate. So guys see array list allow what guy allow duplicate. Okay. Do you know or no? If you don't know, so from two onwards, just keep in mind guy whatever list interface implemented class that all classes allow duplicate. Correct? I will show you guys. I will not only writing, I will show one example guy in front of you. Then you will come to know. Yes or no? Then guys see point number 5. Guys see what guy synchronize or non-synchronize guy. Guy synchronize or non-synchronize. So you tell me Amit how I will keep remember we have multiple implementary class in our Kaizen framework. Yes, guy? How you will keep remember? Because in our creation framework we have multiple interface and corresponding multiple implemented class. How you keep remember that class is synchronized or not synchronized? Guys, see. So Java people have given some clue guy. What clue guy? So Java 1.0 launched by default guy synchronized. Oh my god. Whatever the implemented class which is launched what in 1.0 okay that by default it is synchronized a part of that guy whatever interface input class we have that guy non-synchronized. Did you get it guy what I told you guy? So you know so this a list input guy which version guy 1.2 did not introduce in 1.0 if the implemented class is which will introduced in 1.0 or the interface implement class which has introduced in 1.0 version in Java that is by default what guy synchronized a part of all implemented class are non-synchronized. So guys do you know very well so guys this list a list in 1.2 means it is non-synchronized. Yes or no? Get me? Tell me guys.
Yes.
Non-synchronized. What I have given clue guy? Understand. Java 1.0 launched or introduced class by default what guy synchronized a part of all classes are what guy tell me non tell me guy Synchronized. Great. Any question? No?
No.
Yes. Important point, guy. Why Alice is not synchronized? If anybody tell you, you can say because it introduced guy. Which guy? 1.2 version. Correct? Yes. Then guys see point number guy. Our 6. Guys see. Instant order guy. Tell me. So Alice guy. You know it instant or not guy? Yes guy. So Alice instant order is period. Keep in mind. In which order you're going to insert data in same order you will get the result guy. So guy, you can say what? Instant order preserved by what guy? Alice. Yes or no? Yeah, tell me, is it remember or not, guy? If you remember this all point, guy, tell me. No, myth. It's tough. No, it's easy, guy. Then, guys, see point number 7, guy. What do point number 7 tell me, guy? Tell me. What do point number 7? Tell me quickly. Resize. What is the underlying data structure of ALS, guy? That is called, guy, resizable array. This is array. What, guy? Data structure is used by what, guy? Tell me. Array list. Yes or no? Guy, confirm. Yes or no? Guys, see. And guys, see what is the cursor for this one, guy. So I will explain by while writing the code, guy. What is cursor, guy? When I will start the cursor, then it come to know, guy. Correct? Any question, guy? Till now, get me any question till now? I hope no.
Yes.
Quickly get me. Just revise this one. So what we have understood today, guy. So I understand. So today I've discussed what all those important characteristics we have for all implementary class in our interface. Not only guy list, we have set interface guy, we have queue, sorted set, navigable set. Guys, see, so in all the interface guy, what is the common behavior of all implementary class? If you will take array list guy, if you will take a link list, yes or no? If you will take what hash set guy, yes or no? So what all those important behavior of all implemented class in our classroom framework. So guys see the all important behavior of every implemented class we have. If you remember this thing, then understanding what of all implemented class becomes very easy. Yes or no? Guys, just like a list.
Yeah.
So what is the version? So this is heterogeneous or not? Inside error or not? Duplicate or not? It is synchronous, non-synchronous guy. Inside or period or not? What is the resale array? Means what is the underlying data structure guy? What cursor are you going? What cursor they're going to use for what? Iterate the data guy to read the data. Okay, so that is a important point you should keep in mind. So tomorrow, guy, I will explain one example. So what all the point we have what what listed here. So how they are going to use in our code base, guy. Yes or no? So here means what
One.
all the
Um,
all the different type of guy. You can insert integer. You can insert what character, string,
string.
null. Yes or no, guy? So I will explain tomorrow. So
Anything.
how they're going to insert all different type of data. So in which order you're going to insert data in same order you will get real or not. There you go. Insertion order period. So I will show you if you're going to insert same data two times, guy. Integer two times. It allowing or not, guy. So everything I will explain tomorrow class with code base, guy. Okay. So at
One
least
more thing we can add, the important methods like commonly
I will
used.
I will show you tomorrow. Okay. Don't worry. I will give you one example.
Okay, okay.
Come to know everything. Okay. From today class, that's it, guy. Okay. You just concerned about this thing.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. There is no task for SQL today, okay? Because I went in outside of our location for official work. Just today I came. Okay, I came only at 6:30. Okay, just I'm taking
Okay,
class.
okay, now.
Okay.
Yeah, so tomorrow class guy. I'm completely tired guy. I will take tomorrow. Okay, school. Thank you
Okay,
guys.
thank you.
Thank
Bye bye. Bye bye.